Do you want to check your email, go on YouTube, and surf the web on your PlayStation 4? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the internet browser on your PlayStation console. Coming up next. If this is your first time watching a YourSixStudios video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. I love doing PlayStation 4 videos and live streaming on this channel. To get the internet browser on our PlayStation 4, let's go ahead and scroll all the way over to the far right to Library and click X on that. And then scroll down to Applications. Go to the right and go down and you will see Internet Browser located in here. Now let's go ahead and click on Internet Browser and press Start and go through some of the features on here. L2 goes to the left, R2 goes to the right. Holding down O will close the web page, and pressing square will make the screen full screen. And to zoom in, press the right thumbstick in. Press square again to go back to this screen, and now we can go to Options by pressing Options. And then you have Settings. In here you can allow cookies, enable JavaScript. Now if you're going to be watching TV shows or movies or any kind of YouTube video, you will want to enable JavaScript. You can delete cookies, clear website data, web filter, and request websites not to track you. I would select this option. Then we have browsing history. This is what I just went to today. From here you can go ahead and press options again and clear your browsing history. Under browsing history is bookmarks. These are all my saved bookmarks. To go to a recent website, press L1. To go forward, press R1. To refresh the page, you can do that here. Stop loading. Add the web page to bookmark, open a new window, or close a new window. To search for a web page or to enter something into the address bar, scroll up on the D-pad and go to the right to search, or press triangle to go to search real quick. Surfing the web on the PlayStation 4 console is surprisingly easy and it works pretty well, except for some minor hiccups here and there where the web page may load a little bit slower. If this video helped you out, go ahead and leave me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below and check out some of the other videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.